easylaser proudly presents the easylaser XT11 display unit. Generation XT is about granting you the freedom to choose how and where you want to perform your work. With the rugged, wireless XT11 display unit as your trusted companion, you can boldly go wherever your measurement or alignment work takes you. To freezing, unhospitable environments, through clouds of dust, and pouring rain. Hey, you can even immerse it completely in water. Smile, the XT11 display unit has a 13-megapixel camera for easy documentation. You can also get it with a built-in IR camera, enabling you to shoot thermal images before and after alignment. That's awesome. And so is the graphics quality and the straightforward app that guides you step by step through the entire measurement process. If you should drop the unit, don't worry. Despite having many soft qualities like user-friendly navigation and ergonomic design, this guy is tough and will keep going for 16 hours straight if you want to. Do you want the power of an award-winning display unit that will always work where and when you need to? Start the journey towards total measurement independence with easylaser and Generation XT.